I ain't gonna lie, we vlogging all day. We back on this shit. Today Friday, something gonna happen. And if something don't happen, I'ma make something happen, nigga. That one out with me. Nah, cause you ain't see him pick up your apple juice? I can't have 2 brown. You ain't see him pick up your shit?
No, he didn't. No, Mook hit.
I know, I seen it. I was gonna tell him. You ain't see him?
I don't know who picked that bitch up, but I know that bitch wasn't right there. That's why I said, nah, don't do that. And while I was putting my shit still on. I was like, yeah, no, don't do that. I'm gonna do a gym. Damn, you got 2 cold bitches. Get those ones not cold. Bro, that one, both of them bitches cold. Especially the one with the chin in it. Let me get that. Nah, my shit getting a little higher than the room temperature. Yeah. Oh, shit. Tripping over that chin.
Stop tripping over that chin. Stop tripping over that chin. That's your steak, man.
My steak, man. You know, steak, put it in the big bang, man.
Oh, shit. You ain't got a steak.
Put it in the steak, yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, I like that, man.
You gonna get yourself caught up. Trying to talk to her, too. Dumbass little boy. Oh. Now I'm talking to Mike.
No, Mike black as hell.
Mike gonna get his ass caught up.
Woo, his life.
Dumbass little boy.
Fucking my ass so fat.
Go to the gym.
Hell no, I got weed.
Man, fuck.
Crack trays right now outside. Say drop get money in the comments. I'll come to the gym.
Sure.
Dalado. No, bro, I was playing. Oh boy,
Welcome to CC Vlogs on BD.
got about 7 minutes, scholars. Alright,
Shut your bitch ass. I don't give a fuck. Do I care? No.
My shit don't come tomorrow.
Man, shut the fuck up. The Bree over there stressing about his. Yeah. Man, shut your ugly ass up.
He said, the baby was.
Look at his line. Head lining.
No shit, fuck.
Shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
We out here. Bow, bow.
Hey man, subscribe to CC Vlogs, bro.
Hey, no, it's real lesson for my boy CC, folks. End the video. Okay, scholars, I think. Okay, scholars.
You so stupid. Oh. I don't know.
It's gonna be a short video. I don't really care, but
Stanky breath out, fat shoot ass, fat Mike ass. But I don't know. I'm still watching how to trying to learn how to do thumbnails. Gotta get better every time. You gotta grow. You can't stay the same. I'm gonna see how I do this. Edit this video, drop it, and I just did a reaction to Miami song. That shit wild, folks. She started some shit. No. I've been slacking. No. Learn how to make some thumbnails and shit, bro. You gotta get better, and I gotta give me a camera. It's either a camera or another phone. Fuck another phone. Oh, let's get a camera. Fuck. I ain't talking about nothing. Just know, we on our way. You gonna be seeing my name a lot.
I gave you drugs, you ain't bringing the profit, and you say I'm crazy.